Click on the link below to get price. The WEN 5600 watt portable generator is a remarkable piece of equipment that balances power and portability with ease of use. With its 224 cubic centimeters engine, this generator delivers a maximum output of 5,600 watts, making it suitable for a range of applications from home backup during outages to powering tools on job sites or bringing electricity on camping trips. One of the standout features of the GN5600 is its dual fuel capability, allowing it to run on both gasoline and propane. This versatility is especially beneficial for users looking to stock up on fuel options or those who prefer the cleaner burn of propane. The generator starts up smoothly whether you use the recoil starter or the electric start option, adding convenience and reliability. The control panel is well organized, featuring multiple outlets including two 120V household outlets, one 120V RV outlet, and a 12V DC outlet for charging batteries. This variety ensures that you can power several devices simultaneously without any hassle. The generator also includes a transfer switch-ready feature, making it compliant and safe for connecting to your home's electrical system, a critical aspect for homeowners looking for reliable backup power. Portability is another strong suit of the WEN GN5600. Weighing around 130 pounds, it features sturdy wheels and a collapsible handle, allowing for easy maneuverability from storage to the job site or campsite. The durable frame design ensures it can withstand the rigors of transport and use in outdoor conditions. Noise levels are reasonable for a generator of this size, operating at around 58 decibels, which is quieter than many competitors. This allows for a more pleasant experience whether you're camping or working in your backyard. In conclusion, the WEN 5600 watt portable generator is a reliable, versatile, and user-friendly choice for anyone in need of portable power. Its robust features, dual fuel capability, and portability make it an excellent investment for both emergency preparedness and outdoor adventures.